Hi.
Here
baby.
is Snuggles.
Come on, Snuggies, come on.
And Craig.
Come on, Snuggles, come on.
On her second day learning to
Come on,
use her new
Snuggles.
wheel cart.
Come here, Snuggles. Come on. Snuggles.
She's doing really
Snuggles.
well, actually.
Come on, Snuggles. Snuggles. Come on, Snuggles. Come on.
And there she goes. She's really getting the hang of it.
Good girl. Good girl.
Proud daddy, obviously.
You're a good girl. Come on. Go around here. Good girl. Come on.
Come on,
Come on,
Snugs.
Snuggie. Come on.
And here she goes. Go get him, Snug.
Come on, Snuggie. Snuggles, come. Is that enough? You have enough for today?
She's doing good. Come on, sweetheart. What's he doing?
Come on, Snuggie.
Go get him.
Snuggles.
Go get him.
Come on, Snuggles. Come on, Snuggles. Come on.
Good job.
Good girl. Okay. That's enough for the day.
Good job, Snugs.
That's enough for the day.